Hey there, beauties. Thank you for watching Reaching Around with Leslie. If you have seen me before, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Leslie, and it is a pleasure to have you here. Today we are going to go ahead and subscribe, and then Glamnetic liquid magnet eyeliner and magnet eyelashes. As y'all remember, we got these in a BoxyCharm, but I wanted to review these further to see if they're worth it. I mean, I've tried other magnetic eyelashes, and I think what I've tried is, I think I've tried one of the best, but I'd really like to give these a fair shot. So let's get started. I just left a more natural look because today we are concentrating on the lashes. So let's see what these do for us, and you can see if this is something you would like to purchase. So this style that I have is in Babygirl. Here they are. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them and do the eyeliner. It's the ultimate solution for your easiest lash application ever. The innovative formula requires minimal waiting time and provides all-day hold for your longest days and wildest nights. Okay. And then the lashes, which I showed y'all, are Babygirl. They're a short round, get ready to be spoiled. The Babygirl lash has the power to get you just about anything. It is a wispy round lash that looks very natural on the eye. Okay, and these are sold separately. This lash is $30. So you're looking at spending $70 on a pair of lashes and eyeliner, unless of course they have a cheaper bundle. My eyes are very small. I usually have to cut them, and oh, it keeps getting stuck to the scissors. But okay, so let's get this side lined. And you should not put mascara on your magnetic lashes. It will pretty much limit your uses. Okay, so that actually wasn't so bad, that application on the wing. If you've seen my previous video, I've tried other lashes before, other magnetic lashes before, and I tried like a no-namer before, and that made my eyes water. These are not making my eyes water. Okay, so these wings actually weren't too bad. It seemed a little, this side seems like it was going to give me a little trouble at first, but once things got going, it was better. I just tried to take this off, and the whole thing came off with it. So this little strip right here that holds it on. So that's not very impressive, but we're going to continue. Cutting that. So the box also has directions on it. Application tips. Cut magnetic lash down to fit eye width. Apply magnetic liner on lash line where lashes will adhere. Adhere lashes to magnetic liner. Press lashes down onto magnetic liner on lash line to ensure magnets make a connection. 3, to remove, gently peel off lashes from either corner. Cleanse skin with oil-based makeup remover. Oil-based, okay. To reuse, clean magnets by gently scratching off dried magnetic liner. Use makeup remover wipe to clean off remnants, if any. Do not wet the magnetic lashes. That's a big one too. Do not wet them. Yeah, I shouldn't need an applicator to put this on if it's as easy as it says. So let's do this. So that wasn't so hard. It's not real heavy either. They're pretty too. They're a good size. Ooh, this one didn't go on very well. Oh, funky. Well, what happened was I got the eyeliner on my eyelash, so the magnet on the eyelash stuck to my eyelash. Makes sense, right? I mean, if it works, that's how it works. Okay, so they don't look like much in the packaging, but that was easy and I'm really liking it. Okay, so these are them and I'm actually kind of impressed. They didn't look like much from the box, from the packaging, but like, and even just the way they stuck on here and the amount of magnets, and they work. I will wear these and I do think these were a good give in one of the boxes to try. Now if I keep buying them on my own, most likely not. I mean, that's $60, $70, you know what I mean? Not, but that's just me because I'm Miss Bargain Hunter here. But they were a very good give and a nice treat in the boxy charm that they came in. So I'm actually happy with these. These are pretty. I can wear these. They're not too big, not too small. They're just like the right blooming flower. So yes, these are good. Thank you so much for watching. And now you can see whether or not you would like to buy these. And stay tuned for my other videos to all try before you buy with me.